Hey everybody, welcome back to the wonderful world of Everything is a Remix. My name is Kirby, and I'm gonna try some new things here. I'm experimenting. I don't quite know what I'm doing or where any of this is going. And I know I told some of you I was going to stop making videos. What that turned out to be was stopping making videos in the way that I was making them at the time. So this is a new game for me. I'm gonna be doing things in a different way. Again, I don't know where this is going, what I'm gonna do, but this is a new chapter. So I wanna tell you about an exciting new project I have. I worked really hard on this. I'm proud of the results, and I'm gonna share one of the best parts of it with you right here, right now. I have a new course about ChatGPT and AI. You can watch the entire first module, which is 7 videos, over 25 minutes of content for free. There's a link in the description. AI is the next frontier in creativity. This is indisputable. What is the best AI creative tool out there? It's ChatGPT. What do you use it for? For writing and creating content. ChatGPT helps you deal with this: the blank page, the void, the abyss, that relentless blinking cursor. You can get spooked here, right? When you're starting from nothing, it's easy to get overwhelmed or to overthink or to procrastinate. Remember what I'm about to say right now. Take a note, make a screen cap, take a photo. Rewriting is easier than writing. I'll say it again, rewriting is easier than writing. ChatGPT gives you something to work with. It's not good necessarily, it's just something. It's a start. Now, some of you might be thinking, doesn't your first draft need to be kind of like good? No, it absolutely does not. Don't believe me? How about the author Jane Smiley? She won a Pulitzer Prize. She said, every first draft is perfect because all the first draft has to do is exist. How about Anne Lemon? She wrote a famous book about writing called Bird by Bird. She said, almost all good writing begins with terrible first efforts. You need to start somewhere. Or most famously, Ernest Hemingway might have said, the first draft of anything is. As is often the case with pithy quotes like this, he might not have actually said it, but I think you'd agree with the sentiment. The first draft is often bad, just like the first demo of your song is bad, just like the alpha version of your software is bad, just like the prototype of your product is bad. Thinking that the first draft has to be good will paralyze you. It will stop you from starting. ChatGPT can get you that crappy first draft, and then you will rewrite it pretty much entirely. There won't be much ChatGPT left in it by the time you're done. Sound like a lot of work? You know what's more work? Writing your own crappy first draft and then rewriting that. I will say it again, rewriting is easier than writing. When there are words on the page that you can improve, that's easier than putting the words on the page to begin with. And sure, sometimes ChatGPT will strike out entirely. It won't give you anything good despite going back and forth with it and trying to get something usable. You strike out, you don't get anything. Was that a waste of time? I say no. You still come out ahead because seeing what you don't want can shed light on what you do want. It helped you to narrow down the scope of possibilities. In sports, there's the expression you're either winning or you're learning. Same applies here. Even when you lose with an attempt at a first draft, you learn and you get closer to the solution.